OpenMontage is the world's first open-source, agentic video production system. It turns your AI coding assistant into a full video production studio. Built by Calesthio AI Labs, it features 12 production pipelines, 52 tools, and over 400 agent skills. With 35,000 GitHub stars, it's one of the fastest-growing open-source video projects. Describe what you want in plain language. Your agent handles research, scripting, asset generation, editing, and final composition. The key innovation is that your AI assistant is the orchestrator. OpenMontage has 12 pipelines including animated explainers, cinematic trailers, talking head videos, documentary montages, and screen demos. It supports 14 video generation providers, 10 image generation tools, and 4 text-to-speech options. What makes it unique is production-grade quality enforcement. Every decision goes through human approval gates, pre-compose validation, and post-render self-review. It even has budget controls with per-action approval thresholds. The best part? You can start with 0 API keys. Out of the box you get free offline narration, free stock footage from open archives, and full video composition. Install with one git clone command. Then open it in your AI assistant and tell it what you want to create. Find OpenMontage on GitHub at Calesthio/OpenMontage.